Okay, so end of the video, but the arch is in already. So I'll show you what I've done. Okay, so this is really hard to cut out to measure properly. So what I've done is I've cut, probably just about to see it, I've cut across there. It has to be finished, so it's not just, I've just put a bit of extra primer on so it doesn't go rusty. So I've cut across there, in there, all the way up there. I've come across there. I've come across there, I think, down there, just underneath that line there, up there, and then I've gone across. So it's not ready. I had a few issues, so I still have to weld a bit in there. As you can see, there's a bit of a hole there. I've got a weld there. That's all nice and neat. You can't really tell I've welded it too much. I've got to clean it up still. That bit's done. I've took the arching underneath. It's nice and uniform. There's nice and clean. I've got to clean the welds up as well, but there's nice and clean. The underneath is tidy. The jacking point is done as well. The issue I've had is, well, two things. I've still got to tidy this up because someone had done a previous repair. It's a second-hand wing, so I've got to tidy this up, sand all that off. That's not a problem. I try to use as little filler as possible, same as I've done on the other side. And then I've got to weld. I took a big chunk out of there. I've got to weld that in. That's not too much of a problem, and clean the weld. Okay, so what I've done is, like I've done the other side, I'll measure this up and I'll show you. So I've measured there, I've put some tape, I've written 30, 60, 90, and then the 90 corresponds to where the profile is, right? So if I get my profile gauge on there, it lines up to there. So that then gives me a gauge to make sure that this side is exactly the same. So all I've got to do now is line this up perfectly. I've got to put the tape back on again, do 30, 60, 90 measure, and I've got each profile for the side of the car, and that's going to make sure I get that side the same, with this side the same as that side. But as you can see, I want as little filler as possible. That's all metal. It's a bit dirty because I've been sanding. I've got a tiny bit of filler there, not barely, there's barely any there, tiny bit there, and that has to be block sanded down anyway. So that's a bit of extra primer on there as well. So that's the plan. So in the next video, so I'm going to end this video there, guys. In the next video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be fixing this, and I'm going to be showing how to use that spot weld puller, if you like, as well on the same video. So I might as well do it because this video is getting a bit long now. So that's where we're at. The car's getting there. Look at the inside.